Hello all, welcome back to Ma Gurukul. Today I am showing you after a long time the produce of my garden. I have not clicked videos or made videos or shared videos with you. I was very busy with father-in-law's knee replacement surgery and all of that. So we were very busy with hospital visits. So look at these are my tomatoes, beautiful one. Only one is ripe, so I will be taking my produce. I'll be plucking my produce. This is spinach, palak అని చెప్తాం మనం తెలుగులో. తోటకూర కూడా ఉంది. తోటకూర is amaranthus. So I just watered them. I just watered the plants today. This is amaranthus. In Telugu we call totokura. So can you see there are a lot of seeds. So few of them I will leave it like that for them to mature enough, and I can reuse the seeds so that I don't need to buy new seeds again. And yeah, so look at, there are a lot of tomatoes here, but then the only thing is, since I started working too, now I have not watered them from 2 days properly in a hurry, and probably they are angry with me because I'm not giving them enough time and care, because I always feel plants are like children. Yeah, but then yes, so here, and then I have my 3 roses, 1, 2 and 3. I won't be plucking the flowers today. Usually only on Friday Amma plucks it to keep it near the god, so hopefully it should be done on the Friday. This is katari. They call this katari in Assamese. It's a small knife. I did not find scissor today in the morning. Now don't ask me why, because we are 2 people working in the kitchen, me and Amma, and we don't know where we place things. And plus Kairav and Anu, of course not Anu, but Kairav uses the scissor for his craft work, and then it gets misplaced. So I'm just trying to cut it with the katari, but I think it's not working because I'm shooting the video by myself and plucking my produce. So I'll put the katari aside and try to do it with the hand. Go to palak. So spinach, because it's easy to pluck with the hand. The only problem is a heavy tomato plant has fallen onto it, so the few leaves here and there have got damaged, but then it's okay. Look at this, the smell of it. When you pluck your produce, there is some kind of a sense, the freshness, the feel that it is so fresh and completely organic, 100%. Probably if you have to go to some some departmental store or a place which sells Ooty vegetables, that's the one, the nearest one near my home, where they promise to sell fresh vegetables, organic vegetables, and you pay 5 rupees extra. If I have to sell this, then I think I will be earning that 5 rupees extra. But no, not selling it. It's all for me, all for us. So we are planning to make mixed green leaf dal today, account of Ugadi. Wishing all of you happy Ugadi, happy Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is again the new year for Maharashtrians, Ugadi for both for both Telugu and Kannada people. So ellarigu Ugadi haggada shubhashayagalu. Ugadi pandaga andarki shubhakankshalu andi. తోటకూర పప్పు, తోటకూర పాలకు రెండు మిక్స్ చేసుకొని ఈరోజు పప్పు చేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నాం ఉగాదికి. ఉగాది పచ్చడి కూడా చేసుకుందాం, బట్ మన ప్రొడ్యూస్ కాబట్టి మనం స్పెషల్గా మన ప్రొడ్యూస్ దాల్ ఉగాది స్పెషల్గా చేసుకుందాం. So what I was just telling now in Telugu is Ugadi. It's a new year for Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Maharashtrian people. Today, April 2nd. And since it's a new year, we make a lot of savories and all that, and as a new year special, I want to celebrate it by making a mixed green leaf lentil dal and enjoy. So that's what I was trying to tell in Telugu. Yeah, so enjoy the music and stay tuned to Ma Gurukul. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. కొమ్మల్లో ఎరుగు పూల రెమ్మల్లో పిట్ట పాట పాడింది, పల్లె ఆటలాడింది, పట్టు సీర సుట్టింది, తోరణాలు కట్టింది, ఊరే మారే జోరే
సాగేదే మనాది ఇంగినేలా పొంగిపోయే రోజే ఉగాది రామాసిలుక వందేలుక వసంతమే విరిసెలి
ಕಳೆದರು ಯುಗಾದಿ ಮರಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯುಗ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಕಳೆದರು ಯುಗಾದಿ ಮರಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಹರುಷವ ಹೊಸತು ಹೊಸತು ತರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯುಗ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಕಳೆದರು